Good evening, everyone. Today is the 29th of November. I had a really good day today. Really good day. Um, so, all right, I'll start with NTNX. They had earnings out on Tuesday. I saw the earnings as okay. I didn't see it as kind of blown out earnings, which I would be long in. Um, Obviously, I tried to. I did look at this yesterday, but I didn't see an opportunity for me kind of in the morning to take a short in this. Um, so let me just show you the daily quickly. Alright, so it's a fairly newish company. It's not been around for too long, so what I like to do is my support and resistance levels. I don't really look at the free bounce kind of technique. I go off of the volumes that kind of surge into that area and stop. So that's my kind of idea on the support and resistance for these type of stocks. So yeah, yesterday morning I gave it a miss. I did have it on watch. I saw these support lines here as areas of interest. So once I saw it start to consolidate around here, I took a small position here and I left it overnight. I haven't done many swing trades, but this one actually worked out. So in the morning, I got this kind of sharp pull, which I did a market order straight into and sold 75% of my position. Sorry, covered 75% of my position into that. And then I was looking at it here, and I was saying, okay, if it gets above this high here at the open, then I will. I'll get out. It did come up for whatever reason. I didn't get stopped out. So once it came down here, I took the rest of my shares off. So that's a nice trade there. The other one that I did was ACAD. Right, this one bit me in the arse yesterday. So where I saw this kind of pull here yesterday. Sorry, so with ACAD, the news on this was. Right, yeah, so they had that offering and they had a repurchase of 16 million shares at $17 and they sold off and they came back up. I felt like this was too soon. Um, I was obviously wrong, but I saw this as my support that I was looking to break and take it short. I took a short, got stopped out a bit too much on that trade. Then today, so I was looking at the volume of what was there yesterday morning, and I was looking at what we had today, and I was looking at it once it broke this high here. I didn't see any real kind of volume pushes down here that was going to suggest that it was going to continue higher. So when it retested here, I had the idea that if this breaks, I'm going to take it short. So it did. Eventually, it did. It broke VWAP, and I went in full size, and I was really confident with this trade. I looked at this 20 mark here as my first point of sale. So I did. I covered a third of my position here, and then I was looking at 1936 for it to come down to here. It didn't. It came close to there, and I saw that the volume started to drift off. And when I see it get really quiet, I'm kind of suspicious that all of a sudden it doesn't take much to kind of push it in the other direction. So I did. I got out like another third here. I had a little trend line coming down here that I wanted it to kind of continue, and because I was up quite a lot, I guess I was really quite shaky around here, to be honest, and I didn't want to lose that money. So in my head, I had it that okay, I'll let it go up to this resistance and then pull back down or VWAP. But I think because of the size that I was in, I really wanted to keep the money that I had, and I'm glad that I did, because where it kind of flagged out here and I took my profits once it kind of popped through that flag, it then just went up. So yeah, a bit of luck, I suppose, on that one. But yeah, my best trade that I've had um, for a long time. So it's more the size that I had on than anything. And again, as soon as it broke, I was in the money straight away. Um, so really, really happy with that one. And the other one that I did was ANF. I'm going to be honest, I don't actually know the news on this trade. I didn't pay any attention to it. It was just when some of the guys are talking about it, um, I saw the setup and I was looking at the pre-market volume, and I really like this stock. It really seems to form to the chart really well. So I'm seeing all these big spikes here when I look back at the pre-market, and I've put in my lines in, and obviously here as well. Once I see it here, I saw obviously this channel here. I mean, it's pretty easy to explain because it's all kind of formed to the chart. So where I've seen it kind of hit this support here, make this channel upwards, it's hit the top here. I did take a bit into this because I didn't see that there was much power being pushed up, and I saw quite a few offers coming in on the level 2, so I took a position here. I sold a little bit here, covered a little bit here, and then I had this trend line drawn along here, and I added at this point here, and 1976 is where I was actually looking to cover all of my position. There was a few of us in this trade at the same time, and we was all kind of talking it through, which was kind of cool. And I can't remember which one of you guys, one of you covered here, and then it started to pop back up, and I was kind of thinking, oh, I wish that I covered there. So when it came down, I did, and then when it hit my spot, I covered there as well. So that's me all out of this trade here. And then, no, that's wrong. Sorry, I did have a little bit left in. I had a tiny bit left in here because I was hoping that this is going to kind of follow its way down here, and I got distracted and actually I cut my last bit at VWAP up here. But yeah, still a really good trade, and I've had a really good day. So positive note, happy days. Cheers guys, ta-da.